What's going on, YouTube family? Case Holes here, back with another video. And you already know when it's charge time, it's content time. And basically, today I've just read about the most stupid case ever. Can you believe a woman had to go court and got charged because she was harassing her boyfriend's ex by doing what? Farting. Aggressively farting. Like, what's going on? What's going on with the world? Let's look into this. Prosecutors told magistrates in the town how in Evans' first inappropriate video, she proceeds to pass gas by placing the camera on her bottom and passing the gas. So, this woman was filming videos of her aggressively farting. This woman was posting videos of her farting and sending it to her boyfriend's ex. But why? Let's look more into this, yeah? I need to know why. She sent 3 more fart selfies to Deborah Church via WhatsApp on the 22nd of December, the court heard. And 4 more following days showing Miss Evans passing wind, her face smiling at the camera, the magistrates heard. Evans was warned after police caught wind of the issue, but she sent further messages on Boxing and New Year's Day. Evans was arrested at her home, admitted to sending the videos, and was given a 12-month community order and fines. Wow. She suggested she wanted to send videos because she felt her partner was being treated unfairly, said prosecutor Diane Williams. It was purely malicious. She was smirking throughout, found it hilarious, but the victim didn't. I'm not gonna lie, I would. Miss Protridge said in a statement, "I would like to feel safe in my home." Someone farting through the phone, does that take away your safety? To me, that don't make sense, because I see it as stupid fun, and I see it as something that you can just block. And yeah, people can use other phones, but just block. If it's really bad and it gets to that level where you can't get away from it, then I get it. But it said 2 and she snitched, and then 4 more, and then it got to this. So to me, I don't know, man, each to their own. It seems like a bit excessive to go to the police. I'm sure some more things could have been done before it got to that, but hey, each to their own. But I don't think it takes away from people's safety. I mean, it could it scare someone that someone's doing that? I don't think so. Because to me, it's just stupidity. It's just someone being dumb, like, and you would hope they'll get bored. How many times can you fart on the phone and send a video? Like, is it that bad? Is it like, I don't know, maybe it was, but the truth is, I don't think it threatens someone's safety, to be honest. Also, she's not coming into the person's house to fart or breaking in or doing a madness like that. So to feel safe, in your own home, I don't see how that correlates. But anyway, Evans had a difficult upbringing, so she was quite a troubled person, the court was told, and was said to have mental health problems. If you've got like Babymum, like you've got a child with someone that you've ended the relationship with, I think it's important to be careful who you date after that, because that person needs to, 1, have respect for your situation, yeah? Even if she's backing you, she needs to kind of stay out of it, do you know what I mean? Because it's between you and the baby mum or the mother of your child, for better terms. And if she's got mental health problems and is going to act out, it can cause a mad situation and can interfere with the relationship you have with your child. Even if the mother of your child is kind of stopping you from seeing the kids or causing issues, it will be worse if you have someone who's a nuisance with you, especially if you now go to court and you're fighting over the child and you're trying to find some sort of balance for a co-parent situation. Yeah, if you have a girl with you that's moving mad, then that hurts your chance to be a father. So I think it's very important to choose the right partner and make sure they don't get involved in any madness, even if they're angry for you. A probation officer said she had been in a relationship for 2 years and there was bad blood with her boyfriend's ex-partner. So who's been in a relationship for 2 years? So they've been in a relationship for 2 years and there's bad blood. That's what I'm saying. She shouldn't get involved with that at all. Harriet Gorse defended said there are some issues going on between Miss Evans' partner and ex-partner with regard to child contact. So yeah, so that's something he should work out, whether he needs to go to court, whether he needs to get mediation or people involved to help. But you do not allow your mad girlfriend to get involved. That's just gonna hurt your case, do you know what I mean? At the time she sent these videos, she had some drinks, so she was waived. And she sent them, understanding now this has caused the victim some distress. She sent them without malicious intent, apparently. So that's what I'm saying, she's just being dumb, she's just joking. I kind of believe it's not really to cause harm, it's just to mock and annoy. Do you know what I mean? But you see, the thing is, yeah, when you're in these co-parenting situations, like, sometimes it could be man versus woman. If the mother really has something against the dad or vice versa, I've noticed it can get really petty, and anything they can use against the other side, they would use. I've got a situation where I'm co-parenting, and I can tell you, at times when we're not careful, it can get petty. But we're both older and we really try to avoid it now, but it can get petty. And the number one tool that the woman will always have in her favor is if she's got custody of the child, which happens most of the time. Anything that can look like things are not safe or unpleasant or not a good environment for the child, they can use it against you. So this is the perfect case of her making the father's side or her ex's side look a bit crazy, especially if his girlfriend is moving mad and doing these things. Do you know what I mean? So for me, the case is quite petty, right? And I don't think she needed to do all of this, but each to their own. I don't know the full picture, do you know what I mean? But this now makes the case worse for the boyfriend and, you know, the child situation. So these were the punishments for those crimes. Magistrates imposed 15 rehab sessions, 60 days alcohol abstinence monitoring, and a 2-year restraining order against contacting the victim. So she now, by no choice of her, she has to avoid her partner's baby mum. So look what she caused. And she's got £100 compensation. She has to pay £100 in compensation costs and £199 in costs, I guess court costs or whatever it is. But that's so wild, just because you wanted to film a video and fart. Guys, be careful who you get with. If you have a co-parenting situation, yeah, move smart with the woman you move on with, and, you know, stay out of your baby mum's business. If things are happening that are not fair towards you or you can't see your child, try to get someone that can mediate, someone in the family, someone that it can be a fair party. Or if you have to, take it to court, but don't harass the mother of your child. Don't let your partner get involved. Be careful. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, K Souls, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe.